Hello guys, today we are going to install Pi-hole as suggested by this commenter. We will host it on Ubuntu server. Let's begin. First step is to install Ubuntu. Luckily Ubuntu can run on pretty much any computer, even if it's really old. We will need to set up manual IP settings. Sped it up a bit here so it's easier to view. Done. Let's proceed. Now we will install to the drive. And finish the server config. We will also install OpenSSH. And now we let it do its magic. And that is Ubuntu all installed. Follow for part 2 to see the Pi-hole install.